This looks strong, but is it actually tradable? Before the market opened, I broke down the real structure behind the charts, where the traps are, what level matters, why most traders get stuck into charts. If you trade futures, this is the edge you need before the bell.
This is really, as we expected after this day, that they're going to be a resting day, and we don't expect too much movement. But still, I think it's a little bit more than my expectations, given it basically ES was able to hold the 6400. So now, what we really need to see that whether it's inside day or another consolidation. See, if this days are like this consolidation you see here, it's going to be tough to trade. Do you remember last when we had this one, we were trading likely more NQ than the ES, the given NQ still have the range. If this is in the range, it's just really hard to trade. As long as it doesn't break out those range. Now we have a 6400 support, we have a 6390 support, then we have a 6370 support. So there's a lot of support here as well. So I think it's gonna rest, but if it's gonna fail, look at the volume here on a daily chart. So still I think the good volume. And then you can see here at even the yesterday you can see the volume, right? So really tough. It's really hard to trade these kind of consolidation on the top side. Right? When this last time this happened, so when the 2024 happened, the first breakout happened, you can see here, first 24 happened. Still is pushing up and down, a few tens of consolidation, then up and then small down. It's still retesting 21 EMA. Right now, we are on the phase where market doesn't want to test 21 EMA, because if it tests, then we're gonna get some kind of a pullback, right? But if you look at it, I don't know when this last time happened, where for a longer period, it's not testing 21 EMA. So I think this could be the place when the breakout just happened, right? This is the 2023, this is November, December. So if you mark this area, I think this looks like this is the area that see here, move and then retest 21 EMA, then again big move, then consolidation, then above this area, then retest 21 EMA, and this is the longest run, just one dip. Right now, if we see here, it's up, 50 SMA dip, move up. So this is really big. And let's see last time what is happening right now. Look at this one. Let me just change the color so you can see this one. We saw this from the other time. Now look at this one. So this is the first dip, 9, and there's another dip, move back up, another dip. So this is really this cycle is really big before coming back to these moving averages. So it's really hard to trade that market when the range is too low. Now let's look at the NQ, what NQ is doing. You can see NQ, look at this one, it's one dip. So NQ still have those dips, right? We saw even the last week before this move came in, NQ was a little weak. So NQ still has those dips, but ES doesn't have those dips. So looking at the 30-minute chart now, and without the pre-market data, right now we are close to 2380, which is basically close to the opening range of yesterday. And then this is you remember this is the day where a lot of weakness came in. So it is still above the big red candle. And this is the other support. So I guess the NQ we might gonna find the big range. So let's mark the level. So everyone is here. Let's see that who's here on the Discord, or I need to wait a little bit longer.
If you found this helpful, join us live every weekday morning as we prep for the open with structure, levels, and trade plans. Link below for live sessions and full trading mentorship.